4, 3, 2, 1, start. Directing all the states/UTs to constitute ICCS as per Section 4 of Act in all the workplaces defined in Section 2 within bracket O of the Act. Stop. Directing all the states/UTs to ensure reporting and collection of annual compliance reports from all workplaces by all the district officers of respective states as per sections 21 and 22 of the Act. Stop. Directing all the states/UTs to ensure that the annual compliance reports collected by district officers containing information on the number of cases filed and their disposal are consolidated and the reports are published and put in the public domain. Stop. These directions are comprehensive with regards to seeking compliance of the Act by the appropriate government bracket as defined under Section 2 within bracket B bracket close and its many departments, authorities, institutions, etc. The High Courts and the courts it supervises, specific non-state authorities oblique organizations such as statutory bodies of professionals bracket at the apex and state level bracket close, universities and other educational institutions, hospitals oblique nursing homes, etc. Stop. It specifically directed NA, LSA and SLAS AS and the National Judicial Academy and State Judicial Academies to develop modules for workshops and awareness programs in their capacities. Stop. Given that the directions passed overlap with the scope of the present petition that is before this court, they merit emphatic reiteration. Stop. Stanza. A similar exercise shall be undertaken by all the statutory bodies of professionals at the apex level and the state level bracket including those regulating doctors, lawyers, architects, chartered accountants, cost accountants, engineers, bankers and other professionals bracket close by universities, colleges, training centers and educational institutions and by government and private hospitals oblique nursing homes. Stop. The National Legal Services Authorities within bracket NALSA bracket close and the State Legal Services Authorities bracket SLSAS bracket close shall develop modules to conduct workshops and organize awareness programs to sensitize authorities oblique managements oblique employees and adolescent groups with the provisions of the Act which shall be included in their annual calendar. Stop. The POSH Act is comprehensive and a code in itself for prevention, punishment and redressal of sexual harassment complaints. Stop. It takes the remit of the remedy and envisaged in the Visakha guidelines beyond the state and public functionaries to a larger, much wider scope of employed oblique employee 4 and employer 5 for Section 2 within bracket F reads as follows. Stop. The appropriate government defined under Section 2 within bracket B is responsible at the last level for monitoring the implementation of this Act and maintaining data on the number of cases filed and disposed of in respect of all cases of sexual harassment at the workplace. Stop. It is also obligated to take measures to publicize the Act. 14. Another built-in safeguard in the framework is that the appropriate government is empowered to call for information and inspection of records wherein it may call upon an employer or district official to furnish in writing any information relating to sexual harassment. It may require or produce any record required by an officer authorized to carry out an inspection. Stop. Over.